Open the app and go to Settings at the top right corner of the page. Turn off Learner Mode. Set the sailing range. Zoom in or out on the map to an appropriate size. Tap Interface. Select Zone Scan. Adjust the map size as needed. Choose Points. Please select 3 or more points. The maximum number of points is 10. Connecting the selected points will form an area. Long press a point to adjust its position. Slide the left slider to adjust the task sailing interval. Tap Start at the bottom right corner to begin the task. Tap the sonar button to view real-time underwater data. The boat will automatically return to home point after the mission is completed. Tap the historical map button to view the map. Tap to edit map. Tap contour line. Select the appropriate maximum depth range and contour interval. Generate contour map. Alternatively, open the log and select the most recent scan mission to view the scan map. You can then edit in the same way to generate clearer contour lines and a more distinct depth map. Click the 3D Map button. The contour map will be converted into a 3D terrain view.